Good morning, everybody. This is the backyard mechanic. Today, I'm doing an oil change on my Hyundai Sonata. So, what I did was, the car ramps. I've got blocks behind the wheels, behind the rear tires. Brakes on. So, I'm just going to get started. It's very simple. It should be like this. What I want to do first is, let's see if I can get it close to the oil pan here. First thing you want to do is get your oil pan. This car's a 17 millimeter. There we go. Alright. Get your drain pan. You see how this goes. And voila. Alright, so she's draining. Yeah, we checked the oil drain plug and the gasket. Just looks good. It's a reusable gasket. And the Hyundai is supposed to use aluminum crush, but I bought this other brand. It's a little windy on there today. Picked a good day. But look at gasket, threads, look good. Do that. Then next, while it's draining,
Dad, watch out, because one puzzle's for you.
okay.
You have to watch out. One puzzle.
Next thing you want to tackle.
One puzzle for you.
Oof. Let it drain out. Then I go
Back down.
reach up inside of here, get the oil filter.
What? It's still that one.
Hey, look at that. Don't go in there, okay?
Still not all that on stuff.
Alright, let's position this.
Yeah.
Watch your face, okay?
Okay.
Might be a little windy, you know, you get covered in oil. It's a little breezy under here, buddy.
Maybe.
This is a pretty cool drain pan I got from AutoZone. It's got the
Yeah.
little mesh thing here for your filter and everything. Yep, well, it's just draining out a little bit. Take your oil filter off. Dump it out like this. Make sure the gasket and everything's still on and not on the engine. Right there. It's a pretty cool pan. I like it. And then
It's
you
better.
get,
It was better. This one's better than your.
yeah, the
your
yellow
little
pan.
one.
Yeah. And then you do
That
is
one was so little, but this
take
one's
your,
so big.
your rag and you
So big.
wipe off the engine, make sure no debris.
Yeah, wipe off. Yeah, wipe off. Wipe off our tow truck. Yeah, then it's like we're fixing our. It's like we're fixing our boy's tow truck. It's like we're fixing our boy's tow truck.
Alright.
I mean, bad guy tow truck. And boy's tow truck.
Alright.
Alright.
Then you take your new filter. Make sure you get your gasket on there. Make sure the filter's not dented or anything. It looks good. Yeah, put a little bit of oil on the gasket. Ain't no big deal, and I'll use the old one, whatever. Alright, let me put this filter on.
Is there oil on this?
It's like 1 3/4 turns my hand.
Dad, is there oil on this?
No, don't take the gasket off, buddy, okay? Then you just screw it on by hand. Oop.
That was a car. That wasn't a bird chasing us or nothing.
Screw it on by hand, like this. 1 3/4 turns. Okay, that's good. So I took the oil filter off, put the new filter on. Oh, wrong way. New with this.
Dad, don't get your sticker get off here.
The new filter's right here. It's black. Went in there. Old filter and everything's there. And then we have the oil drain is still going. Right, no big deal there. The drain really black. It's a little bit overdue. I'm waiting for the weather to beat it here. The rain and alright, so now here's the oil pan. Oh, I faced it the wrong way. So now the oil pan is right. It sucks in there. It's right there. Right. Can't see. Right there. Good. I can see what I'm doing. Still dripping, but you know, can drip here for a week. Ain't gonna do nothing. All right. Okay, buddy. Got the plug? No, not the plug. The bolt you were just playing with. No, the bolt that you were just playing with.
This?
Yep. Awesome. Thank you. With the plug and gasket looking good. Screw it back in. Alright. Get my ratchet here. Boom. Tighten it up. That's it.
I just see these girls. I just see a girl and a boy just running back and
It's a
forth.
fun neighborhood, running around, doing their exercises.
I want to do exercise like that.
Mm.
I want to do
And
exercise like that.
that's the oil change, really simple. You just put your oil, pour your oil back in, and that's it. Nice and easy. You know, it took under 8 minutes. Took me longer to set it up than to do the job. So this car takes 4.5 quarts. Half a quart for the filter, another 4 quarts for the engine. It's like a 4-cylinder. It's like 4.5, 4 3/4. And that's it. I'm good for 6,000 miles. So I'm using this Castro oil. High mileage. This car's got 204,000 miles on it. So, yep. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe. Bye bye. All right. So what you doing? Oops. What you doing at the bottom of the oil change? You put your oil in and everything. Dipstick back in the tube and the oil filter cap back on. Just the sun screwing me all up here. Jeez. And see, I supported the car up on jacks, car ramps. And I put a old-fashioned brick in the back with the parking brake on. So once you do that, once you completed the oil change, you get in the car, you start it up, and check it for leaks, make sure everything's okay. Your oil light will come on and go off. Well, the picture was in the way, so she she's running. And let's go back under. Check the oil filter. Getting warm. Might as well get rid of this. Check it. It's good. You won't get your hand caught in the belt because the belt's all the way on the other side there. Then you check your drain plug. Gasket. Nothing oozing. Nothing coming out. Make sure. Yep. That's good. And that's a good oil change. Then you just lower the car off the ramp. Just let the car sit for a couple of minutes. Check your oil level. Check your transmission fluid. This car here, you put it in neutral to check it. Now the transmission fluid. And that's just about it. You know, check all your other fluids, your coolant, wash your fluid, all the basic stuff, all the easy stuff. And that's just about it. And this oil change cost me 32 bucks. The garage will probably charge you. Well, that's with full synthetic oil too. So, I mean, you get the deals at the stores. In winter time, I bring it to a garage and have it done. I'm not crawling under a car when it's snowing out and temperatures are dropping. So I'll spend the money and do the oil changes at a garage. But other than that, 'cause I don't have a garage. So either the backyard or the street. So thanks for watching. Take care.